Welcome to our channel. I'm David, the face and voice behind these videos. Having lived in Okinawa, Japan for over 20 years, I teach Japanese to foreign students and even run a separate YouTube channel dedicated to learning Japanese with my family. You can find the link in the video description. I'm passionate about language learning and illustration, and I'm excited to share that with you. In this introduction video, I'll explain how to make the most of our step-by-step language learning channel. We're kicking things off with French, my first language, and plan to expand into other languages I'm fluent in. Each video will introduce new vocabulary, including verb conjugations. When relevant, we'll start with simpler vocabulary and gradually increase the difficulty as we progress. We won't provide English explanations beyond vocabulary translations, as we believe understanding through context and illustrations is key. Here's how the video structure works. 1. Review sentences from previous videos. Each sentence will be reviewed in the following 5 videos after its introduction. Feel free to revisit earlier videos for refreshers. 2. Introduce new sentences without subtitles. Try to recognize any words from previous videos. 3. Present new vocabulary used in each sentence, ensuring you know which words correspond to what. If a word isn't introduced, it's been covered in previous videos. 4. Play the sentence again with captions, but no English translation. 5. Listen to the new sentences one final time without captions. Understanding a language without relying on your native tongue is crucial for retention, and repetition is the key to memorization. If you enjoy our videos, please support us by subscribing, giving a thumbs up, and leaving a comment. We appreciate your feedback. If you have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help. Get ready for more engaging content on this channel. We're committed to making learning both enjoyable and effective. See you in the next video.